Hey guys, it's Crick MTB back at it again. Today we're doing my Santa Cruz 5010. It's a 2017 model. It's a pretty nice bike. I love it. It's been in a couple of my videos. Alright, let's do it. Here's the masterpiece. On it we have a Sunrace cassette with the red spacers. I can get a little bit better shot of it right here. Right here. It's a little dusty, so it may be a little dulled out. And it's a Sunrace 42 tooth cassette, 11 speed, 1x11. NX SRAM, 28 tooth race face Atlas cranks. Float DPS rear shock. It's a better rear shock. It's actually pretty good. I love it. Race face seat post, WTB Volt saddle. This one's really nice. It's awesome. Santa Cruz seat clamp, a Bond Sugar bottle cage, DMR bikes and death grips. I love them. Super nice. Here's my shifter setup. Yeah, I freaking love it. Level brakes, they're awesome. They're super reliable, and they'll last you. A RockShox Sector fork, really love that one. I got mini DHF front and rear, 2.3 and 2.6. I got me some Chromag pedals, and I got a WTB I-23 rims. They're really nice. They don't bend easily, and yeah, that's my bike check. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye.